Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. So in this session, I am going to discuss one important topic: HTTP status codes in RestAssured, which is the most interview topic which I am going to cover here. So let's discuss one by one. So I have categorized the HTTP status code into different categories. Like first one is informational, that is let's say 100, 100, that is continue. 100 is continue. Initial request received, client can continue sending. Okay. Second one is 101, switching protocols. Server agrees to switch protocols, that is HTTP to WebSocket. Okay, let's say server, if we change from HTTP to WebSocket, that time we will use 101, switching protocol. Understood? 100 is continue, 101 is switching protocols. Then successful, 200 is okay, that is standard success response. 201 is created, that is resource created. 202 is accepted, request accepted but processing not complete. Request accepted but processing not complete, so it is under process. 203, non-authoritative information, that is response modified by a proxy. Response has been modified by a proxy. That's why it is non-authoritative information. Okay. So 204, no content, that is successful, no response body. Okay. No content found. So after deletion basically we found 204. So no content. 205, reset content, tells client to reset form or view. Okay. So 204 no content, 205 reset content. 206 partial content. Okay, only part of the resource is sent, that is range requests. Understood? Next category is redirection. Okay. 300 is multiple choices, several options for the resource. 301, moved permanently, that is resource moved to a new URL. Understood? 302, found temporary redirect. 303, see other, that is redirect with get method. Then 304, not modified, cached response is still valid. 307, temporary redirect, similar to 302 but keeps method. 308, permanent redirect, like 301 but preserves method. Then next, client errors. 400 is bad request, that means invalid request. 401, unauthorized, authentication required or failed. Okay. 402, payment required, rare, reserved for digital payments. 403 is forbidden, that is authenticated but no permission. 404, not found, resource not found. 405, method not allowed, HTTP method not supported. 406, not acceptable, that is server cannot return requested format. Then 407, proxy authentication required, that is client must auth with proxy. 408, Request timeout. Client took too long. 409 conflict. Conflict in request, that is duplicate resource. 410 gone. Resource permanently removed. 411 length required, that is missing content length header. 412 precondition failed. Precondition in headers not met, that is 412. 413 payload too long, request body too big. Okay. 414 URI too long, that is URL too long. 415 unsupported media type, that is wrong content type. 416 range not satisfiable, that is invalid range in request. 417 expectation failed, that is server could not meet expect header requirement. 429 too many requests, rate limit exceeded. Okay, so these are under client errors. Okay, next, these are server errors. 500 internal server error, generic server error, this is a generic server error. 501 not implemented, server does not support request. 502 bad gateway, invalid response from upstream. 503 service unavailable, server overloaded or down. 504 gateway timeout, upstream server did not respond. 505 HTTP version not supported, that is wrong HTTP version. 507 insufficient storage, server cannot store request. 511 network authentication required, client must authenticate, that is captive portals. Okay, so these are the different HTTP status code. Okay, that's it guys. So you will definitely, whenever you will face any kind of interview or when you work in your daily regular work in the industry, if you will work on REST Assured API, you will find these status codes. So that's why this is important. Thank you so much guys. Please like it, share it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much guys.